Hi, I'm Charlie from MONIN. I look after Central UK, and today I'm going to take you through 3 recipes on how to make the ultimate pina colada. We've got recipes to suit every skill set and all customer types. We've got from basic, better and best, and there's even going to be a non-alcoholic one in there for those that don't drink alcohol. Follow along and let's get started. So we're going to start with our first most simple basic recipe, which is just 3 ingredients. You want to use MONIN Pina Colada syrup, which is a lovely infusion of pineapple and coconut flavour in there already. Then a nice white rum and coconut milk for creamy texture. This would be best suited for pub venues or cafes looking to do an evening serve, or even at home if all the equipment you've got is a spoon. Now we're moving on to our better pina colada, for which we're going to use the method of clarification. So instead of using alcohol in this one, we're using our Caribbean MONIN syrup. But if you did want to make an alcoholic version, you are more than welcome to swap for your favorite brand. And we are also using PARAGON Penja Pepper, which is from our premium cordial range. It's going to give that lovely balance of texture and acidity in the drink where the alcohol is missing. And then we are using our Clarified Punch mix, which the ingredients and full recipe will be down below. This drink is best suited for cocktail bars. Anyone looking for a really fast, rapid, speed of service style drink, this is all in the prep. So once you have prepped the drink, you can just put it into all one bottle for a lovely MONIN fusion. And now for our ultimate best pina colada. This is my personal favorite recipe, and this is going to be a blended one. So you don't need any extra skill set, just access to a blender, or this is also suitable for slush machines if you have one of those. It's going to be our fruit mixes, both pineapple and coconut, and that is fruit puree hybrid with sugar syrup. Then it's just rum, cream, a pinch of salt, wedge of lime, blend it and go. anyone, any skill set, any venue type, all inclusive recipes, so everyone can have a go. Pina Colada Day is coming. Cheers. Delicious.